When you're flying, your physical comfort is your main priority, but it changes a bit depending on whether you're awake or whether you're asleep. Whenever you fly, it's really hard to get some quiet space to get anything done. And for me, I make sure that I bring these. This is a Soundcore Space 2 overhead earphones, and they work miracles on a plane. The Soundcore Space 2 can take a chaotic cabin with babies crying, engine noise, into someplace quiet where I can have a workspace to get things done or watch a movie. It transforms a chaotic cabin into your own quiet, productive workspace, letting you focus entirely on your screen without distraction. Because I use these for hours of continuous screen time, the clamping force has to be perfect. Soundcore upgraded these with beautiful, ultra balanced, plush memory foam cushions that put zero pressure on your head so you never get a headache. They transition seamlessly from the plane to your hotel room using multi-point Bluetooth to stay connected to both your laptop and your phone simultaneously. With a massive 50-hour battery life, they deliver high-end premium quiet so that you can get some work done or stay focused anywhere in the world on your travel adventure. And this is about $130. I will leave a link for these in the video description so you can get a pair and take them on your next travel adventure. Eventually, though, my workday ends, my movie's over, and I want to get some sleep. That's when I rely on these. This is my Soundcore Sleep A30 Special. This is a game changer if you need to get some sleep on a flight. The Soundcore Sleep A30 Special features an incredibly tiny, low-profile 3D design that sits entirely flush inside my ear canal. Because I'm a side sleeper, I need something that creates absolutely zero painful pressure when my head hits the pillow. These have a triple system that are going to help block out noise. They have twin seal air tips that allow you to lock these right into your ears. So no matter how much turbulence there is, or if I'm getting up or I'm tossing and turning when I'm sleeping, these are going to stay locked in my ears, nice and tight, but yet comfortable. Their innovative acoustic structure helps dampen all those harsh sounds so you can make sure you're going to get some restful sleep. And the third is the app, because I can customize my own calm selection for whatever I need. I can tune it so it's louder on an airplane, maybe less loud inside of my hotel room or something. One of my favorite features is they have an alarm on these. So I can set an alarm through the app to wake me up. So that way, if there's being dinner served on a flight or something and I want to be awake for that, or if I'm in my hotel room and David's with me and I don't want to wake him up, I can put the alarm on this so that it automatically wake me up without waking up anyone else next to me. And with up to 8 hours of playtime, that means I can travel worry-free and still get all the rest I need on my travel adventure. They're having a Prime Day promotion, and now you'll be able to get these for $40 off. I will leave a link in the video description so you can get a pair of these to take on your next travel adventure. So now we've got the sound blocked out, but what about light and other things? I want to create more of a little cozy space for myself, and that means I'm going to have a few other extra items because, believe it or not, sleeping on a plane sometimes feels like you're sleeping on a park bench. Sometimes there's someone on your right and someone on your left, and you have that very little bit of private space. And for me, that means I'm going to want to use some sort of neck pillow. I like this one because it's inflatable, but it still has a little bit of memory foam here. Now, I wear mine a little bit different than most people. A lot of people wear it this way. And for me, that means my head tends to keep going down. So I wear it the other way and I put it on this way. So that way, when this is blown up, my head kind of rests on either side of these little cushions. And what I love about this is it deflates, so it becomes really compact and something easy to store, and it comes in its own little pouch. It also comes with an eye mask, which I think is really nice. And they have a little bit of wells in here that are going to allow you to not have direct pressure on your eyelids. If you're someone like me, I have dry eyes, and when I go into REM sleep, I can't have any pressure on my eyes. So something with eye wells works really well. But I also found something else that works great, and this is called Cornea Care. These are little self-heating masks that once you open these up and you put it on, it creates soothing, steamy heat around your eyes, which is really, really restful. And then I just leave it on and it'll cool off on its own, and then I just go into a nice rest. They're disposable, so I'll bring a couple of these depending on my trip, so I can have one on the way out, one on the way back. And if there's any trips in between, I'll bring a few of these with me. I buy a whole box of these, but for people who have dry eyes, this can be a real lifesaver because if you have dry eyes and the plane is dry, it can become really irritating. So I'll just put some dry eye drops in my eyes. I'll put these on and it's really, really soothing. It just a nice little bit of warmth around my eyes and I get some good rest using something like this. I don't know about you, but when I fly, especially in the summer, I'm freezing. And I think it's so unusual, but I think the reason why is because they blast that air conditioner sometimes on the plane. So I bring this. This is a travel blanket. It's by Gravel, and it's one of my favorite things to bring on a trip for two reasons. I can either use this as a pillow on the side if I'm not hot. I can use it as a lumbar support behind my back. So that way, if your back starts to ache, you get a little bit of lumbar support. I've even used it like underneath my knee when my knee was really aching with arthritis, but its main use is to cover you up. It opens up into a nice blanket that you can actually use on the plane with snaps that snap so it doesn't start falling off all over the floor. They make a couple different versions. This is their super thin one. They make another one that actually has a little zipper pocket here in the front, and it has footwells so that way your feet can stay nice and toasty as well. Another great use is if I'm in my hotel and it's really cold, let's say David's with me and he pops that air conditioner up really high. If I'm sitting watching TV or reading or editing, this makes a great little blanket to put across me and keep me warm. I have both versions, so depending on where I'm going and how long I'm going for, I'll bring one or the other with me. This actually makes me feel like I have my own little private space. I kind of cover it all up and I feel like I have my own little space. So this is a great travel item if you want to get rest on the plane. This last one isn't necessarily for rest, but it is something that I bring on my travel adventures that helps me feel like I have my little compartment. And that's this little Serenity tray table cover. This goes and covers your tray, which is nice because sometimes the trays are icky. I always wipe them down, but this is nice to put on it. It's water resistant. I spilled drinks and stuff on it. They wipe up right away. But the best part is it has pockets. So I can stick things like my iPad, my charging cords, my battery, my snacks, my ear pods, whatever I have in here, and keep them right at the ready so I don't have to keep ducking down into my bag to get anything. And as many of you know who travel, if that person in front of you puts their seat back, you're probably not even going to get into your bag. I've done that before where you're basically contorting yourself like in a yoga position just to get your hand down in the bag because they put their seat back. So this keeps everything right at hand for me, and that way everything is within reach and I don't have to bend down and get anything. All of these things help keep my little station on the airplane my private little sanctuary, and I hope they will for you too. I hope you got some great ideas from this video, but I know there are those of you out there that travel a lot and have some gear that you find that you take with you that make you have a nice private space. Share those with us in the comments because I'm always looking for some new gear, and I love it when you guys put some comments down there and let me know what you love and what you've tried. I want to thank you for joining me, and remember, travel adventure favors the prepared. Happy travels.